Lou Manfredini, ACE's home expert today. I'd like to talk to you about applying glitter paint to your walls. Now, if you come in close here, I've got a quart of Rust-Oleum glitter paint. Now, what you'll see is it is a super goopy looking material, which is a lot more conducive to getting a nice finish on the wall than just adding glitter to any kind of paint. Now, a lot of people are looking online and they're saying, oh, I can just buy glitter at the craft store and put it into just regular paint. The problem is you don't get the consistency in the glitter on the wall, and a lot of people are really disappointed with the results. So you're gonna buy this glitter paint. It's really important to mix it well. You can have the store put it in the paint shaker to really kind of get it going, but then you want those bubbles to kind of settle down. You're gonna open it up, let it breathe a little bit, and then use a paint stick to really kind of mix it up to get that glitter to be part of the material. So now I'm gonna pour some of it in here, and we're gonna roll a little bit on. Look at how thick that is. I'm just gonna put a little bit on there. Really, really thick. Okay? Now, obviously, any kind of prep work you're gonna do on the wall, make sure that it's smooth. Any kind of deformities that are in the wall, you wanna use some spackle to fill in. But just for the demo purpose, I wanna show you how it goes on. I'm using just a small little roller like this that I'm going to get onto the material and kind of work it on so it gets all the way around the roller, back and forth, back and forth. It's almost, the consistency, it kind of feels a little bit like glue as you put this on there. So you want to make sure that that roller is completely covered, and then you're going to take any excess off of it before you put it onto the wall. Now, the trick with this Rust-Oleum product is you don't want to put a super heavy coat on. It's thin layers to kind of get the sparkly effect that you're going for. So now I'm going to go ahead and put that on, and you see, look, you're like, well, that kind of coverage is not really what I'm going for. Don't worry about it. You're going to put that on there, and you're going to let that dry. What I'm more concerned with when you put that first coat on is to get it nice and even. I don't want you to leave any of those lines on the roller. See how it's, if you can look closely, it's a little bit darker right there. Because it's so thick, I want to work that roller in to even that all out. It's going to dry pretty quickly, and you get a nice coating there. This is bare drywall. You want to make sure that it's on a primed surface. But if you look really closely, you can already see the glitter, a nice consistent coat. One more coat on top of this, and your walls are going to be glitter fantastic. If you'd like more tips or like us to cover other topics on our videos, just leave a comment at the bottom of this one.